Okra Potato Toast Sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the sandwich recipes and one of the most different of the bread recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the okra recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg sandwich recipes. Today we are going to make okra potato toast sandwich. The ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, around 50 to 75 grams of okra cut into small pieces, and 25 grams of ginger cut into pieces, and around 50 to 75 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces. Pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the garlic and the green chili and the ginger. Put in the fennel and the fenugreek seed. Click on saute. Put in the okra pieces. Salt, count the okra to the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the potatoes. Saute it. Keep on salting. Put in salt to taste. Salt and mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Now pour in 100 to 150 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now take 6 pieces of bread. From this take one piece and put in the cooked potato okra mixture on top of the bread. And press another piece of slice of bread on top. And keep it aside. Do this with the next piece. Apply to the bread slice. Now press another slice on top. Press to make the sandwich. Take the next slice. Apply it evenly on the bread piece. Now put another slice of bread on top. And press to make the sandwich. Keep it aside and this can be then toasted. Heat the pan and pour in around 5 ml of clarified butter. And let it get heated. Now spread it onto the pan. Put in the bread piece and move it around. turn it over. Turn it over. And let it fry or toast. Turn it over once more. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Do this to the next sandwiches until all the sandwiches are nicely made. Put in the next sandwich and repeat the procedure as earlier. This is the final okra potato toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the okra recipes and one of the most delicious of the snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread recipes and one of the most unique of the toast recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sandwich recipes and one of the most nutritious of the vegetarian sandwich recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.